Okay, sure. Are you recording? Hello, I'm Alice from Coral Interiors and I'm sat here today in Cooks in Christchurch, and I wanted to talk to you about the industrial trend. The trend is a perennial trend that within interior design. It's connected with the industrial simplistic hard metals, wood, lots of different textural elements that really create that industrial vibe. We've got this here, this Alexandra James dining set, and you can see it's got the sort of the metal handle here. We've got the metal bits on the floor. The wood is really soft, but it's against the dark metals. It's really creating that contrast that is synonymous with the industrial look. What we do like to do to soften the overall look is bring in kind of plush furnishings to combine with that black metal, which will contrast with the utility to really create a lovely comfort and elegant look. I mean, let's be honest, not many of us, should I say, are all sat in these fabulous lofts with these big metal Cretel windows. What we want to do is bring that vibe, but also be realistic to having that everyday comfort that we want in our homes. So we bring in things like these lovely plush velvets in these sort of jewel tones that really add warmth and vibrancy and contrast, like I said, beautifully, creating elegance against that hard wood and that's really hard, almost cold metal. Dark walls are another way to bring contrast in. Look for wallpapers, panellings that really bring that contrast element and soften. We don't want to be looking really with our accessories at sort of ditzy florals. This trend is all about simple, minimalistic, but contrast. So you want to bring the softness, but you don't want the too ditzy things. The looks will contrast too much. Be abstract, be geometric. Those are patterns that really, really work well. We also want to be thinking about looking at exposed brick, stones. You can get fabulous wallpapers that have the exposed brick effect. Stone tile floors, those sorts of elements, all really industrial vibes that will just bring together a really stunning scheme. When we're looking at lighting as well, you want to be thinking about, that's again bringing the metal elements in, copper, metal, filament elements to the light bulbs, all those sorts of things, which again will enhance the industrial element and vibe to your design scheme. But again, just add softness, bring in interest. All of those things can create a really elegant home.
Hi there, I'm Helen Winter from Coral Interiors and I'm here at Cooks in Christchurch to talk about the industrial design style. My colleague Alice was just talking about the collection in Alexandra James, which is more of a kind of, I suppose, Victorian throwback with the parquet style wood furniture top and the tufted upholstered seating, which is kind of the Chesterfield style. It's very synonymous with Victorian era. Here in the Van Jacob section in Cooks, we've got a more contemporary take on the industrial look. So they've teamed very rustic styled oak effect wood panels with the matte black metal handles and then frames, which gives it a real sort of nod to the industrial era, but in a slightly more contemporary style. So this is the Alana range. It's a really beautiful sideboard, wonderful mechanisms and everything, but you've just got that rustic kind of feel. Comes in different finishes. And then over here you've got the Barola collection. Very similar style, but this is more of a display item here. And just by bringing in different style furniture, so you've got more of a leather collection going on here as well. What I really love is in their brochure you can see they've teamed it with that black wall. Now black in interiors is huge at the moment, so if you can be bold enough to go for a black wall or a feature wall, it just really balances that industrial look again with some beautiful feature lighting. What I also love is this gorgeous cut wood effect they have in here. I don't know if you can see that, but you can have panels in the back of your cabinets with sort of a chopped wood effect, and just creates a really fun rustic style.